coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear.
Good morning, BNIers. Dustin here with another education moment. 2 minutes, one idea, better referrals. Let's go. The most dangerous phrase in BNI. Hey, let me know how I can help. That sounds nice, right? It's polite, it's friendly, and it completely kills referrals and kills opportunity because no one knows what to do with that. It doesn't work. And why doesn't it work? Because when you say something like, let me know how I can help, what you're really doing is the other person hears, you figure it out. And guess what? They probably won't. Or if they do, it's going to be figuring it out with somebody else. Not because they don't care, but because they're busy. They're distracted. They don't know your business like you do. They're going to be confused and oftentimes miss the point. And confusion equals an action. So here's what to say instead. You got to flip it. You need to be specific. And something important that you can say is, the best way you can help me this week is, now you're giving them something. Direction, clarity, confidence, examples that actually work, right? Instead of, let me know how I can help, which is flat, dangerous, and open-ended, try, if you hear someone say they're overwhelmed with bookkeeping, that's who I want to meet. Or if you know a parent who is stressed about after-school care, send them my way. I would love an introduction so that I can connect with them and their families. Now I know exactly what to listen for. That's the shift. So stop being polite and start being useful. It's going to help your business. Because in BNI, being vague equals invisible, but being specific equals referable. Here's the challenge for the week. In your next conversation, don't say, let me know how I can help. Go deeper. Instead say, here's how you can help me. Be specific, get into the nitty-gritties, and watch what happens. Because where you give people clarity, they're going to give you referrals. Remember, relationships build revenue. I'm Dustin, and I'll see y'all next time.
Meeting starts, badge goes on. Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear who you help and why you're here. We don't sell now, we connect.